So here we're presented with a 3-part question, and one of the things with these 3-part questions or multiple part questions is each part relates to each other. Let's do the first bit and you'll see what I mean. Log base A 256. Now we're given these two values here, so P is log A of 16 and Q is log A of 25. And we need to express this here in terms of P or Q. So what we need to do is we need to make this look something like one of these or two of these or a combination of these. I know that 256 is a power of 16. Let's just check and make sure. And yes, indeed, 16 squared is 256. So log A of 256 is the same as log A of 16 squared. And now I'm going to use my rules of logs. If you remember, log A, let's say B to the C equals C log A B. So we take this power down here. This is related to the indices rules. I have a separate video on this. So log A 16 squared is the same as 2 log A 16. Okay, but log A 16 equals P. So log A 256 equals 2 log A 16, so equals 2P. And there I have found this in terms of P. Part B now. We've got log A 100. Now 100 isn't a power, or it is 10 squared, but it isn't a power of any of these. We want to express log A 100 in some way like this. I can see that this is the same as 25 times 4. And from my rules of logs, so again, log A B times C is the same as log A of B plus log A of C. So here, this is the same as log A25 plus log A of 4. So we've got a value of Q here because log A25 is Q. But we're left with log A of 4, which is not any of these in its immediate form. However, 4 and 16 are related. 4 squared is 16. So let's see if I can do something with that. So remember, we've got P equals log A of 16. So therefore P equals log A of 4 squared. So therefore P equals log A 4, and the 2 can come down here. So 2 log A 4, remember from my rules of logs. And so therefore P divided by 2 equals log base A of 4. So here we are, log A of 4 is P over 2, and log A of 25 is Q. So this equals Q plus P over 2. Part C, log A 80 times log A of 3.2. And we need to express this, remember, in terms of P and Q. 80 is a multiple of 16. It's 5 times 16. I recognize that. So we can transform this similar to what we just did here. Instead of 25 times 4, we've got 16 times 5. So we can transform that. We'll tackle this 3.2 in a minute. So we'll have log A of 16 plus log A of 5. And already I can see something here because 5 is to do with 25, isn't it? 5 squared is 25. So we can change this value here. Q equals log A of 5 squared because 25 is 5 squared. Q equals 2 log A of 5 from our rules of logs. So Q over 2 equals log a of 5. So here I've got a value of p plus q over 2. I've also got this log a of 3.2. Now 3.2 I can see is related to 16. Let's just take that aside for a minute. Remember, one of the things that you can do if you are presented with a lot of information, you can take some of that information aside. Let's take this log a of 3.2 aside for a second. 3.2 is the same as 16 multiplied by 2, which gives me 32 divided by 10. That's the same as 16 over 5. So log a 3.2 is the same as log a of 16 over 5. Right, now I need another one of my rules of logs. Log a of b over c equals log a of b minus log a of c. So here we've got log a of 16 plus log a of 5, which was q over 2, and this was p, and we've got multiplied by log a of 16 over 5. So we've got, remember, this was p plus q over 2 multiplied by log a of 16 minus log a of 5. And I already know that log a of 16 is p and log a of 5 is q over 2. P plus q over 2 multiplied by p minus q over 2. And this is difference of two squares. So this would be p squared minus q squared over 4. And that's my answer.